to stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no.
Hey plus ones, welcome back to Not Just Mommy Time. If you're new, welcome. I'm Jakinda. I do everything motherhood, lifestyle vlogging. I cook with the bees, clean with the bees. I am currently pregnant, so I'm doing pregnancy updates as well. So if that is something that you guys are interested in, I would love for you to stick around. Please hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up for me. We're gonna go ahead and get into this video right now. So by the title, I know you guys can tell that this is going to be an Influenster Voxbox unboxing. I'm so excited, guys. This is my first Voxbox, okay? And for those of you that don't know what Influenster is a company, and they send you free products to test out complimentary, and you share on your social media. You also go to your Influencer app and, you know, just do reviews for them. So yeah, finally got my Voxbox. I'm so excited. But what you want to do is you want to just go to influencer.com, or you want to download the app, the Influencer app. You just create your account, and what you want to do is you want to link in all your social media. So if you have Facebook, what's the other ones? Facebook, Twitter, if you're a YouTuber, if you have Snapchat, or Instagram. That's what I was looking for. So if you have any type of social media, you want to just link in your social medias so they can, what they'll do is they'll put your following in there, and so your following will show, just so they know, like, okay, how big of an influencer can you be. And so what they'll do is they're going to send you some products free. These are all complimentary, and you just test them out. I don't know how often they send the box out, though, being that this is my first box. So I'm not sure how often they send it out. I know that whenever they get new products in for people to try and review, they'll just go ahead and, I think, just randomly go ahead and select people to share on their social media. So you get the box. Well, you sign up for Influencer, of course, first. If they choose you and they send you a box, you want to go ahead, you want to open it up, you want to try everything. You want to go to the Influencer app, and it will tell you that you have snaps waiting. And snaps are just the little icons for you to tap on and review, give the products a review. So you want to give them your honest review. Don't tell them what you think they want to know. Tell them exactly how you feel about the product, and also share it on all your social medias. And when you share it on your social medias, you also want to tag Influencer and the company of the brand into your post as well, so that way Influencer sees it and the brand sees it as well. Okay, now that we know what Influencer is, let's go ahead and get into this Voxbox. And it was the hashtag Celebrate Moms Voxbox, which was even more special because it was the Mother's Day Voxbox. So, let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna just show you guys what comes in here. First, it's a card that tells you what everything is, pretty much how to use it, and like what's in it, and then also tells you like the prices of everything. So I've got Copper Tone Pure and Simple hypoallergenic sunscreen lotion, and this is really good because me and my kids are going to be spending a lot of time in the sun. So this is it doesn't smell that bad, and I've actually already used some of this. My fiance just took the girls to the water park, so I was like, I might as well go ahead and do this unboxing for you guys. So here's the consistency. It's not too thick or anything, and then it's not too watery as well, so that's a plus. And then I got these Renew Life probiotic supplements, and I haven't opened these just yet, but I am going to actually be trying them because, you know, me being pregnant and everything, it says that it is good for your digestive and immune health, which, you know, like when you get pregnant, your digestive tract is just like all messed up. And it's also good, it says that it promotes vaginal health. So that is awesome. I can't wait to try that. And then I've got some Eva NYC Clean It Up shampoo. Let's see how this smells, guys. This actually smells really good. I love the smell of that. And then I've got some Kleenex wet wipes. I've got 2 of these. It's only one in the box right now though, because I actually put the other one in my diaper bag because, you know, I've got little ones and we need that. And then I've got Shea Moisture Daily Hydration Body Lotion, and this smells so good, and it's got coconut oil in it, and it smells so good, you guys. Like, I love the smell of it, and with me being pregnant and stuff, I always want to stay moisturized, so I stay rubbing this on my belly. I actually take this and my Palmer's stretch mark cream and I mix it together and I rub it, and since it's a small bottle, I actually take it with me everywhere I go. I put it in my little bag, and it honestly goes everywhere with me because I love this so much. I'd actually recommend this to anybody. So that was what was in my that is what was in my Influencer Voxbox. I was really surprised when I got the email to get this box. I had never gotten one before, and honestly didn't think I was going to get one. So I am really excited about this box. It's some really good items in here, and like I said, I've tried mostly all of them, so I would really recommend any of that to anybody, but I cannot wait to try those vitamins, just to see if maybe they'll help your girl out with some issues that I'm having. But that is all for this video. It's just a quick little Voxbox unboxing so you guys can see what was in the Mother's Day, I guess, Voxbox. But I will see you guys in my next video. If you're new, please do not forget to go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.
On the ground.